大家好，我是欧比王，上课喽。
Vocabulary class.
Now we are going to learn this character. It is pronounced as 太. Let's see how to write this character. 太. This character consists of 4 strokes. It means too much, extremely, very. Let's review the pronunciation of the rhythm of the 4 tones. T, I, tai. Now let's combine with the rhythm of 4 tones.
Tai, 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 tai.
This character is the 4th tone, so it should be tai.
The origin of this word.
There are many theories about the origin of words. We only take the ones that are easier to understand. Da. This character is a pictograph. Just by looking at the posture of the person it depicts standing tall with arms stretched wide, you can clearly see how it represents the meanings big or great. But what happens when you add a little something extra to big? Then it becomes tai. It's a deictic character created by adding a single dot to the bottom. That dot is a symbol which means more than big. This dot pushes the meaning even further, evolving from big to the ultimate big, essentially meaning too much, excessive, or the greatest. That's the origin of tai.
The meaning of this character.
Tai. It means too much, extremely, very, highest, grand, senior. Tai. This character is used to express that something has exceeded a certain degree. It isn't necessarily positive or negative. For example, it can describe too much or too little, too hot or too cold. It functions exactly like the English word too. You simply place it before an adjective. Too much, too many,
太多
too hot,
太热
too hot,
太烫
too polite,
太客气
too much, too many,
太多
too polite.
太客气
这是我自家种的，很甜的，你尝尝。
哇，太多了，您实在太客气了，谢谢。
Too hot,
太烫
天啊，这水饺太烫了，烫死我了。
too hot,
太热
哦，今天真的太热了，我一头的汗。
对呀，这种天就应该吃冰。
太. In Chinese, we use this character to express too much of something. But here's a secret. It's not always negative. It can be a way to show your high admiration. So beautiful.
太美了，
Extremely amazing.
太棒了，
So beautiful.
太美了。天啊，你穿这套衣服真的太美了。
Extremely amazing.
太棒了。
古代工匠的技艺高超，雕刻的作品实在太棒了。
太. When this character follows the negative character, no, boo. It acts as a buffer. Instead of saying something is bad directly, you are saying it is not very or not so good. It makes you sound more polite and less aggressive.
Not very good.
不太好。Not too ideal， 不太妙。Not very good， 不太好。
你考得怎样？我的数学考得不太好。
我也是。
Not too ideal， 不太妙。
大战在即，渡江攻击训练的怎么样了？
报告将军，情况不太妙，我们的士兵全部都晕船。
太 Beyond just meaning too much, this character is also used to describe things that are grand, ancient, or at the highest possible level. It represents the ultimate version of a category.
The sun, 太阳 Space, 太空 The Imperial Academy, in ancient China. 太学 Astronaut, 太空人
等我长大，我要当太空人。
The sun, 太阳
本来我还担心天气不好，结果今天太阳好大，太好了。
太 In Chinese culture, when Tai is used before a title, it acts like a prefix that adds seniority. It represents the highest level of respect within a family or a social hierarchy. We rarely use these titles nowadays. Queen Mother, 太后 Great-grandfather, 太爷爷 Grandmaster, 太老师 Queen Mother, 太后
时值春暖花开，皇上与太后在御花园里散步赏花。
Word in daily life.
太 Now that we've learned this character,
太太
do you know what it means? In ancient China,
老陈，你也来遛狗吗？
对，跟我太太一起来遛狗。
陈太太，你好。
你好。
Finally, let us appreciate the works of famous calligraphers in history.
太
Which one is your favorite? That's it for today. Remember to download and print the PDF file for writing practice, or download the JPG file to practice on your mobile phone. Ciao.